In this video, I am going to show you on how you can create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select one of the projects that you want to add a dashboard widget. Let's have this sample project. As you can see, I have numerous kinds of views right here, including a Kanban view, a list view, a form view, and even a table view. Now, on the right side, I can add another view. From the choices, I can add a dashboard. So, what's so different with this view? Unlike the other views, if I choose any one of this gets updated on its own and automatically. So over time, as we do our tasks, and complete all of those tasks, this would get updated over time. And we can use this for reports and other stuff. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.